Hey guys, this is a quick update on Chainlink. We've had quite a bit of action over the past week or two, and we've had a big pullback, and then we bounced pretty sharply. I've been releasing videos regularly on buying the freaking dip, and well, I followed my own advice and did some of that. But if you've missed your chance to buy, it's not too late. There's more opportunity in the pipeline, and well, as good as this rally looks, we're not totally out of the woods just yet. So I'm gonna zoom into our short-term picture here. This is the 5-minute chart on Chainlink. And I did post some charts on this in the community post section. So please be sure to check those out periodically. I release those more frequently than videos because they're a bit quicker, more quick hit, straight to the point. So if you haven't ever checked that out, go to my channel and click on the community tab. And you might see some updates on the cryptos that you'd like to follow. But we have our 5-wave impulse up. We had a perfect 3-wave corrective wave down, probably not a zigzag, looks more like a flat just because of how high the B wave went. And we've blasted off since. So this could be a nested 1-2, or it could actually be, I'm actually going to put these signs here just so you guys know what I'm referring to. So we would expect another pullback. That would be your tranche 1 down there. Maybe you get another chance to buy on this latest dip, or we fall through this box, or at least to the bottom of the box, something like that. That would just indicate that that's actually the actual first wave top, and we're about to have a deep second wave pullback. That would be a better buying opportunity for sure. Either way, things are looking pretty good. There is a small chance that this is actually a big ABC corrective wave up. I'm not really believing it right now, especially with altcoins. This looks, if anything, again, that orange pattern looks the most credible. I can't see this being an ABC up the way we've rallied so far. So looks good. I bought half my position so far. I'm looking to buy the balance pretty soon. So I'm looking for this dip to come relatively soon. If I have to give you some exact numbers based on where the rally begins, we expect a 38.2% retrace. So anywhere from, was that 1481 down to, let me draw this box here for you guys, 61.8% retrace would be about 1428. So I would expect us to get down into about that box. If we fall below that, good chance we're going to fall back into this box. If I extend this out, that would indicate that we're actually in a larger wave too. So either way, you get a discount and one more chance to buy before this thing really takes off. If you're more conservative, no reason to rush or panic buy anything like that. Don't get FOMO because we got a lot of meat on the bone. When I shift over to the big picture pattern, we can see how this latest pullback looks. While Bitcoin and Ethereum did not make lower lows, we definitely saw that in almost all the altcoins. Chainlink had this little red spike down, little candle, and we didn't make it to the purple box, but we came pretty close. Not a bad thing at all. This looks pretty complete. We didn't quite make it to the 1.0 extension of this AB, but it's credible. There's also good divergence that's formed in the MACD. We didn't go as oversold on the latest pullbacks and even less oversold on the latest pullback. So quite a divergence forming, especially when you look at this big picture over the past 6 to 9 months. Pretty good thing. So what do I expect next if Chainlink is done with its bottom? Well, I don't know if green or red, there's not much difference. We kind of invalidated the green, but we didn't invalidate the red. So I'm calling this red. Really, red is primary. It makes no difference at this point. The bottom is behind us. I have recalculated our target. So our first larger subwave 1, based on this bigger structure, should put us somewhere between $104 and $409. I know it's a big range, but that is the standard expectation if we really do have a larger 5-wave impulse in place, starting with the bottom that we hit, starting at the very beginning in September 2017. So if this is a 5-wave impulse up, then our first wave should go into that box. So it's got a lot to prove before we get there. And this is not going to happen quickly. I don't expect, we expect a lot more subwaves first. Maybe expect a smaller 5-wave rally within some subwaves. Let me actually draw that out here real quick. Here we go. So we have something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into that box, something like that. So look for that. And as I mentioned, if you haven't bought, not too late. If you have some cash to deploy later, you want to wait till we have a more solid setup. You can wait for this 5-wave impulse, first wave finish, and the second wave pullback after that. There's no guarantee we get this, but more often than not, you would get pullbacks like this, especially in the altcoins because they are more volatile. There's more whipsaw in those. So that is my expectation right now. Chainlink definitely got some bullish setups. This is definitely one of the better, has more upside than a lot of the other cryptos, just because I am interpreting this as a second wave pullback. So things will be exciting. And if you are looking for, again, regular updates, check out the community posts. If you don't want to miss anything, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you enjoyed my video. Till next time, thank you for watching and happy trading.